Staying consistent on YouTube isn't something easy to do, and I'm sure that you wanted to upload more and be able to create more content consistently. But I'm going to tell you something really small. It could be done with a small twist, and I was able to be more consistent on YouTube, creating more than 150 videos with this small twist. If you want to create more content, your biggest goal shouldn't be something really big, and this is what almost small creators get involved in, and they find that creating content with having that big goal or huge goal makes it even harder. Now, to make it easier, you have to understand that monetization shouldn't be the goal, because it's really hard. It takes a lot of effort, and it takes a lot of convincing and making a lot of high quality content to be able to do it. So how can we actually stay consistent on YouTube? Now, that's easy. You see that big goal that you have, try to forget it and don't even aim for it. If you are creating content to get monetization and get more money from YouTube, you should forget about that idea or that goal. You should start small. Creating content takes a lot of momentum and takes a lot of willpower to actually do it. And this is something I learned on the span of 2 years. When you aim very high, your chances of reaching what you actually want is nearly impossible, because it takes a huge toll on your mentality and your ability to stay consistent. Now, if you want to get monetization on YouTube, you should think about breaking down that goal and expanding and breaking down that goal into small pieces that you can do every day and with every single piece of content. Now, if you want to reach monetization, for example, at least create 100 videos on YouTube before thinking about reaching monetization. So you have enough data to actually analyze your content and know your best performers and your bad performers. So step one of reaching your highest goal is start small and start with baby steps. You shouldn't be running when you haven't really started crawling. And every step or goal should serve reaching that final and ultimate goal. That makes it easier for you to actually create better content and get more content on YouTube and upload even more if you have a problem with staying consistent. This is something I really learned when I started creating content for my other channel. The first 3 months I was trying to get to monetization, I wasn't really able to reach it, because of the simple fact that it was a huge goal. It was extremely big goal to reach with my small actions. So I started to take little small steps that could help me reach that goal. And I was able to reach monetization in less than 6 months when I started doing this. And to be honest, the most simple way to reach this goal is making a small checklist. A small checklist for every step of content creation can make the process of creating content so much simpler, because your mind is not thinking about the task that you're doing like it's something that is crippling. It's something really easy that could be done with a simple small step that could take 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And when your brain starts to think about taking those small actions without thinking about the ultimate goal, creating and being able to reach what you want in life could be and will be extremely easy. And in this channel, I wasn't able to be more consistent because I had the same problem. I was thinking too big, so I decided to take 3 skills that I want to develop while creating content on this simple channel, which is improve my storytelling, because storytelling is a huge part of filmmaking. Now, the second skill that I want to develop is filmmaking and being able to create better content with the simplest tools that I have. Now, the third, and what I think is the most important skill that I need to develop over time, is creating a business. Creating a business developed around this YouTube channel and around creating content. And this is going to change my ability to be more consistent, because of the simple fact that I have 3 simple skills that I need to develop. I need to upgrade even more in order to create more content. And the more I try to develop those skills, the more content that I'm going to be able to publish on this YouTube channel, and finally reaching what I actually want, which is monetization and getting more views and breaking that damn algorithm. But this is an extra twist that you should have always. When you break through your small goals or small skills that you want to upgrade and want to develop, you should always have an additional set of skills or additional goals that you want to achieve, because every time you check off a skill or a goal, you'll be able to have a replacement in no time. With that, having the momentum to create more content becomes almost non-stoppable, because you're not actually reaching a goal that is achievable. You're trying to reach goals that that are achievable and replaceable at the same time. If you want to reach monetization and reach monetization, well, ask yourself this. What's next? What are you going to do next when you finally get to the goal that you always dreamt of achieving? So having those small skills or small goals will make everything easier, and you'll be able to create more consistently and upload more videos on this platform.